Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make lavender oil. Lavender, long known for its beautiful appearance and calming aroma, has found its way into many popular products today, including skin care, cleaning solutions and candles. Lavender can soothe injured or itchy skin, aid sleep, produce a calming effect, and disinfect surfaces. Lavender oil can easily be added to anything you wish, including homemade soap, cleaning products, shampoos, lotion and more. Once you know how to make lavender oil, you learn there are so many creative ways to incorporate it in your daily routine. Lavender is flowering herb from the mint family, commonly known for its calming aroma and light purple flowers. Whenever you grow and harvest this plant at home or you like to visit a local lavender farm, you can create your own lavender oil. Please note, however, that this is the process of making lavender oil, not lavender essential oil. If you are looking to make lavender essential oil, the process involving steam distillation is a much more difficult process and can produce a lower yield. First, you will need either cut off sections of fresh lavender from the plant and dry them, or purchase properly dried lavender from a lavender farm or another distributor. Failure to dry lavender correctly can result in spoilage of your oil. If you are drying your own lavender, follow these steps. Cut off segments of the plant at least 6 inches in length, rather than picking the flowers. Most parts of your lavender plant contain the fragrance and can be used, including the leaves, flowers and branches, the new and fresh stems. The only parts of the plant you would want to avoid are the thick stems near the base. For this project, it is better to have pruned too much lavender than too little. If possible, pick more than you think you'll need. Second step is tie the segments of lavender together. Don't make too large or too fat bouquets. Hang the lavender bunch upside down in a dry, warm place with occasional sunlight. You will need to allow it to hang dry for at least 2 weeks. Once your lavender is fully dried, you can prepare to infuse it into your oil. To expose the fragrance, lightly crush your lavender, flowers, leaves, and stems all included, with a clean, heavy object, or just crumble it with your own hands. Place the crushed pieces in a clean, dry glass jar. After you clean it, be sure your jar is completely dry. If your water is mixed into your oil, it will interfere with infusion. You need crushed lavender flowers, leaves and stems enough to fill your jar and carrier oil of your choice. And now my lavender is crushed in pieces. Place the crushed pieces in a clean, dry glass jar. After you clean it, be sure your jar is completely dry. If your water is mixed into the oil, it will interfere with the infusion. You need crushed lavender flowers, leaves, and stems enough to fill your jar and carrier oil of your choice. If you have any chance, please don't hesitate. Make yourself a good stash of lavender. You'll need it during the season. Now I'll add my carrier oil. I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil contains vitamins A, D, E, and K and has exhibited antibacterial properties. Whenever you use olive oil or another option, make sure to give your oil a smell test. You want to choose a natural oil that does not have a strong smell that will possibly overpower the lavender's aroma. Pour your oil of choice over the crushed dried lavender. Be sure to completely cover your lavender, but leave a small amount of space at the top of the jar to allow for any expansion that may take the place. Close the jar tightly and leave it in a sunny location. You don't want to put it in the direct sun, so a window sill that gets a lot of sun is the best. For best results, the strongest smell, leave your jar on the window sill for 3 to 6 weeks. After this amount of time, use a cheesecloth or other straining material and a funnel to strain your infused oil into a dark bottle or jar. You can discard the lavender species in your compost or garden. Enjoy aromatic natural lavender oil. Remember that lavender itself has antibacterial properties, so it is not likely to spoil quickly. Stored correctly, lavender oil can last for years, but the shelf life of real lavender oil really depends on the shelf life of the oil you choose to use. Check the expiration date on your oil for a good measure. To store correctly, keep your lavender oil in a dry, dark location, like a pantry or drawer. Refrigeration is not necessary. Use an airtight, dark-colored jar or a bottle for storage, as light exposure breaks down the aroma of your oil. If you want to extend the shelf life of your lavender oil, the addition of vitamin E is a great way to do it. Simply stir in a few drops of liquid vitamin E or open a capsule to add to your oil. A simple sniff test should let you know if your lavender oil has gone rancid. Always check to smell before you apply your oil to your skin. This is the ways that you can use lavender oil is endless, but here are some ideas to get you started. Massage it into your feet, temples, wrists, or hands to produce an instant calming effect before sleep or during periods of high stress and anxiety. Create a natural face toner by mixing your lavender oil with witch hazel. Apply topically to treat eczema or to calm other skin irritation. Apply to fungal infections to inhibit the growth of skin bacteria. Use it as an anti-aging night cream. Massage some into your scalp to fuel hair growth. Use it to shoot inflammation and heal wounds. Mix it with aloe vera to treat a sunburn. Use it as an insect repellent or to relieve itching or insect bites. I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. See you in my next video. Bye!